Welcome back to the Unemployed Idiot. Today we're working on the Subaru. So we signed up for a 500-mile off-road rally this weekend, and this is what we're taking. So the goal of the day is to convert this into an off-road rally machine.
Dylan, come look at this.
Uh-oh. What?
We know the tow hook works because it was recently used.
And it was strong enough to break the strap off, so that's good.
That's one less job we have to do. We don't have to weld tow hooks.
This isn't in too bad a shape.
Right, I mean, it even looks like he changed
Oh, we got
the
an
oil.
axle boot busted here for sure.
Well, it's a good thing we only needed to go 500 miles.
Yeah.
1 miles.
So the guy that I bought it from would add oil anytime the check engine light would come on, and miraculously it would make it go away. So every time he did that, he would add more, and so now it's so full.
It's pouring out.
I know. Where's it coming from?
So that's very important.
95 out of 100.
Yeah, 95 out of 100%. Perfect. Yeah,
Looks
I don't
like
even
it
think
in the
it's...
back.
Yeah, as long as you refrain from going anywhere near where oil might have been in the car. It looks incredible under here. Should we literally just cut the exhaust off?
Potentially, we could just unbolt
wouldn't-
this exhaust right
No.
here and bring it straight out, side exit exhaust, rally car style. Because otherwise, we're just going to rip. Is that the cat?
I believe those are cats, yes.
Yeah, otherwise, these are just going to rip right off. We're going to, for sure, be off-roading too much. We're going to be Subaruing, as Gavin said.
Yeah, dude. We're going to do what Subaru claims you can do with this car. We'll see whether or not they were lying.
Crocodile Dundee says it's a good car and we can drive in the Outback and not crash like a Chevy Blazer, so.
In the commercial you saw, did it go, "That's not a car, this is a car," and then he pulled out a Subaru Outback? If not, that was a great marketing opportunity wasted.
So this is the line we're doing saw. We're gonna saw right off, and we just follow that right into there maybe. And ideally, if the fog lights work, mount them on the roof.
Yeah, they're already
They're
pre-disassembled.
already about to come out anyway. Do that. I should have checked if they even turn on.
Down as it comes across here and then just straight back. What do you think? Less or more?
Oh, fixed it.
Very technical measuring. If you're looking ANSI for your measurement standards, you want about a yay. If it's metric, it's more of a huh.
Got it.
Look at that. Oh, there's some.
We got one bolt. That's
That would work.
That might be too much. Skip.
Might be too much.
It looks pretty heavy.
Feel it. He probably weighs like 100, maybe 50 pounds.
Oh, can't lift it one-handed. No. Now we just weld that too right to this.
Just to make it look like a two bumper? I love that idea, dude. That's so fucking funny. Custom two bumper just like that. Simple.
See, that is so rally.
Easy.
That's legit.
Yeah.
Well,
All right, Dylan.
go turn it
Fired.
on.
That's so rally.
Really give it the
That is not terrible.
That's pretty good, yeah.
do it.
All right.
We gotta do it.
Alright. Oh, I'm sure she's burning some oil. I mean, it's a boxer motor. They're designed to be terrible. Oh, yeah, boys. Look at that flush cut right there. Oh, there we go.
Rally car.
Rally car.
I like the 1.25" exhaust. It's pretty fucking funny. I like the
I
idea.
want to do a square tubing full on.
I like the idea of making like a bar for it. Yeah, I'm picturing we just have it raise up, you know, something like that, and then just mount that across.
Oh, that'd be so sick. you're not allowed to take the paint off the roof first. You gotta weld through the paint.
Yeah, exactly. Wow. Ooh,
So-
how would we make a snorkel, you suppose? I love that idea a lot.
I like that idea too.
Dude, I bet we can
That would
repurpose
be
whatever's
dope.
in there.
Should we go cold
I
air
think if we
intake?
go this way, flip it up, and just stick it directly out the hood, that's our snorkel. That's easy, 20, 30 horsepower, no doubt. Probably 100 torque. I'm picturing just a piece of like 1/8 inch. We got a bunch of plate. Cut that there. Something about like yonder.
How do you take a $500 car that's worth $2,000 and make it worth $100?
You follow the unemployed idiot. That is how you do it.
So maybe we should
Double check that.
just take a look-see in there.
Yeah, we definitely melted some headliner.
That is smoldered real bad. Got some holes to fill, but she'll buff out.
So we're going up through there.
That's kind of my thought. It's an unfortunate location, but that's really all we can do.
Yeah.
Shy of running a tube all the way out there and coming out the fender.
Yeah. I think the
Is
snorkel
everyone okay
is
with it?
going to be a good idea. I think we've really hit the key things here. We've
think
got
so.
the bumpers cut, we got the snorkel, and we got the exhaust removed. And we got the floodlights.
we got lights.
What else do we need?
The lights is the most rally thing ever. I'm real pumped on that.
Alright, here we go.
That's terrible in here.
How did that
You
happen?
gotta turn the car on.
Oh, we got one.
Alright.
Hey,
Hey!
nice two. Nice work, dudes. That's epic.
Sure.
They do something.
It's funny because the whole point of fog lights, right, is that you get the light really low and close to the road.
Well, these are forest fog lights.
Forest fog.
Yeah.
Get four.
Dude, I'm really pleased with the snorkel. I think that's gonna come together very nicely. Now we just have to cut the thing in the hood.
Let's see how.
It's called a cold air intake if I ever seen one.
Oh yeah, boys. Fire her up. Let's see how she runs.
We got a car.
Look at that. Dude, hit us with the high beams on the roof. Turn on the foggies. Yeah.
Listen to that intake there. That thing is sucking.
Oh wow, yeah. Dude, the fog lights look great. Do you have to move it with the jack?
It just makes life so much easier.
No way. That intake is hilarious, dude. Listen to how much. You get car sick pretty easy?
Yeah. Patrick does too.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, well, that's good. Whoa! Here she pulls!
Yeah, that was pretty good.
Yeah! How fantastic. All the neighbors love the no exhaust.
Oh yeah.
That's great. They're pumped.
Oh, and how about the brakes? We got brakes too.
Oh,
yeah.
Heck yeah.
I'm,
I mean, we solved it. It's sick.
dude, that intake sounds mean, dude.
People spend hundreds of dollars to get their Subarus to sound like this.
This is great.
I love
Oh.
it. What a day.
Well, that's $500 well spent.
Yeah, not a cent more.
There we go. This car turned out epic. I'm so excited. Tune in next time for the full Gambler 500 rally. It's going to be freaking sweet.